Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious potato curry. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large potatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 ripe tomatoes. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste for that aromatic kick. We'll also use 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder, along with half a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. This recipe is designed for ease and flavor. Now let's get our ingredients prepped. Start by peeling and dicing your 2 large potatoes into roughly 1-inch cubes. This helps them cook evenly. Next, finely chop your 1 onion and 2 tomatoes. Having everything ready before you start cooking, also known as mise en place, makes the entire process much more enjoyable and efficient. This step is crucial for a quick and easy curry. Time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your chopped onion and sauté until it turns a lovely golden brown, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute until fragrant. Finally, add the chopped tomatoes and all your powdered spices, cooking until the oil separates, about 3 to 4 minutes. Almost done. Add your diced potatoes and half a cup of water to the pan. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the potatoes are perfectly tender. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once cooked, garnish with fresh cilantro. This simple, flavorful potato curry is now ready to be enjoyed with rice or bread. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.